Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I wanted to play outside, but it started raining.
I wanted to play outside, but it started raining.
She loves to read books, and she writes stories too.
She loves to read books, and she writes stories too.
We went to the park, yet it was too crowded.
We went to the park, yet it was too crowded.
He studied hard, so he passed the test.
He studied hard, so he passed the test.
I like coffee, but my sister prefers tea.
I like coffee, but my sister prefers tea.
They watched a movie, and they ate popcorn.
They watched a movie, and they ate popcorn.
We were tired, but we kept walking.
We were tired, but we kept walking.
The sun was shining, so we went for a walk.
The sun was shining, so we went for a walk.
She called her friend, but no one answered.
She called her friend, but no one answered.
The store was closed, yet we found another one nearby.
The store was closed, yet we found another one nearby.
I wanted ice cream, so we went to the shop.
I wanted ice cream, so we went to the shop.
He forgot his keys, but his brother had a spare.
He forgot his keys, but his brother had a spare.
We visited the zoo, and we saw many animals.
We visited the zoo, and we saw many animals.
She studied all night, so she aced the exam.
She studied all night, so she aced the exam.
He enjoys football, yet he rarely plays.
He enjoys football, yet he rarely plays.
We waited for the bus, but it never arrived.
We waited for the bus, but it never arrived.
I like pizza, and I also enjoy burgers.
I like pizza, and I also enjoy burgers.
He missed the bus, so he took a taxi.
He missed the bus, so he took a taxi.
We went swimming, yet the water was too cold.
We went swimming, yet the water was too cold.
She invited me to the party, but I couldn't go.
She invited me to the party, but I couldn't go.
I was hungry, so I made a sandwich.
I was hungry, so I made a sandwich.
He loves music, and he plays the guitar well.
He loves music, and he plays the guitar well.
The road was slippery, yet he drove fast.
The road was slippery, yet he drove fast.
She looked for her book, but she couldn't find it.
She looked for her book, but she couldn't find it.
They wanted to go hiking, so they packed their bags.
They wanted to go hiking, so they packed their bags.
He had a fever, but he still went to work.
He had a fever, but he still went to work.
We bought tickets, yet the concert was canceled.
We bought tickets, yet the concert was canceled.
I like cats, and I also love dogs.
I like cats, and I also love dogs.
She was late, so she ran to the bus stop.
She was late, so she ran to the bus stop.
He forgot my birthday, but he made up for it.
He forgot my birthday, but he made up for it.
The sky was clear, so we went stargazing.
The sky was clear, so we went stargazing.
They argued, yet they remained friends.
They argued, yet they remained friends.
I made a promise and I kept it.
I made a promise, and I kept it.
She lost her phone, but someone found it.
She lost her phone, but someone found it.
He tripped, yet he continued running.
He tripped, yet he continued running.
We went fishing, and we caught a big fish.
We went fishing, and we caught a big fish.
The baby cried, so the mother picked him up.
The baby cried, so the mother picked him up.
I wanted to sleep, but the noise was too loud.
I wanted to sleep, but the noise was too loud.
She baked a cake, and it was delicious.
She baked a cake, and it was delicious.
He skipped breakfast, yet he wasn't hungry.
He skipped breakfast, yet he wasn't hungry.
They planned a trip, but it got postponed.
They planned a trip, but it got postponed.
The dog barked, so we checked outside.
The dog barked, so we checked outside.
She was excited, yet she felt nervous.
She was excited, yet she felt nervous.
He tried to fix the bike, but he failed.
He tried to fix the bike, but he failed.
We had a picnic, and the weather was perfect.
We had a picnic, and the weather was perfect.
She went shopping, yet she didn't buy anything.
She went shopping, yet she didn't buy anything.
He works hard, so he deserves a break.
He works hard, so he deserves a break.
The kids played outside, but it got dark soon.
The kids played outside, but it got dark soon.
She sang beautifully, and everyone applauded.
She sang beautifully, and everyone applauded.
The car broke down, so we took a bus.
The car broke down, so we took a bus.
He wanted to win, but he lost the race.
He wanted to win, but he lost the race.
We arrived early, yet the event had started.
We arrived early, yet the event had started.
She cooked dinner, and we all enjoyed it.
She cooked dinner, and we all enjoyed it.
The phone rang, but nobody answered.
The phone rang, but nobody answered.
He found a wallet, so he returned it.
He found a wallet, so he returned it.
We watched TV, and we ate snacks.
We watched TV, and we ate snacks.
She felt sick, but she still went to school.
She felt sick, but she still went to school.
He loves painting, yet he rarely does it.
He loves painting, yet he rarely does it.
The train was late, so we had to wait.
The train was late, so we had to wait.
We saw dolphins, and they were amazing.
We saw dolphins, and they were amazing.
The baby smiled, so we all laughed.
The baby smiled, so we all laughed.
He forgot his homework, yet the teacher forgave him.
He forgot his homework, yet the teacher forgave him.
They visited their grandparents, and they had fun.
They visited their grandparents, and they had fun.
I bought a new phone, but it stopped working.
I bought a new phone, but it stopped working.
She practiced hard, so she won the competition.
She practiced hard, so she won the competition.
He didn't study, yet he passed the test.
He didn't study, yet he passed the test.
I took pictures, and I made a scrapbook.
I took pictures, and I made a scrapbook.
She planted flowers, but they didn't grow.
She planted flowers, but they didn't grow.
The dog ran fast, yet it didn't catch the ball.
The dog ran fast, yet it didn't catch the ball.
He loves to travel, and he has visited many countries.
He loves to travel, and he has visited many countries.
The cake looked great, but it tasted bad.
The cake looked great, but it tasted bad.
She forgot my name, yet I remembered hers.
She forgot my name, yet I remembered hers.
He fell asleep, so we let him rest.
He fell asleep, so we let him rest.
They played soccer, and they had a great time.
They played soccer and they had a great time.
I wanted a pet, so my parents got me one.
I wanted a pet, so my parents got me one.
She read a book and she learned a lot.
She read a book and she learned a lot.
He waited for the call, but it never came.
He waited for the call, but it never came.
She borrowed a dress, but she returned it late.
She borrowed a dress, but she returned it late.
We saw a rainbow, and it was beautiful.
We saw a rainbow, and it was beautiful.
She got a promotion, so we celebrated.
She got a promotion, so we celebrated.
The road was long, yet we kept walking.
The road was long, yet we kept walking.
He played the piano, and everyone listened.
He played the piano, and everyone listened.
They built a sandcastle, but the waves destroyed it.
They built a sandcastle, but the waves destroyed it.
I asked for directions, yet I still got lost.
I asked for directions, yet I still got lost.
She wore a jacket, but she still felt cold.
She wore a jacket, but she still felt cold.
He wanted ice cream, so he bought 2 scoops.
He wanted ice cream, so he bought 2 scoops.
She was tired, yet she kept working.
She was tired, yet she kept working.
She found a lost puppy, so she took it home.
She found a lost puppy, so she took it home.
He needed a job, yet he didn't apply anywhere.
He needed a job, yet he didn't apply anywhere.
She laughed, and everyone joined in.
She laughed, and everyone joined in.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.